You put water here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do...
Check. You may have to...
Wrinkly-lickly. Okay guys, let's do unboxing. I got a package from... Somebody sent me a message, guys. An email. They're from Amazon dealer. The company that sent me the message, guys, is OXA Fashion. Okay, they sent me this thing. I don't pay this one. They give this to me. It's just like a free thing from them to review. But let's see, guys. I will tell you the real thing about this. The real review. What I feel about this product. But let's do unboxing first. It's like this one. It's a big from Amazon. I'm gonna use it and then I will let you know. It's an OXA Smart Handheld Garment Steamer. And there is a picture. You see the picture? That's what the picture looks like. Oh my god, it looks really real. Like, it's not... I see a lot of this. Tommy usually have this. I saw one upstairs in the attic, but it's not like this good looking kind of thing. Oh my god, this is nice. I like it. The first impression, guys, just the product. Looking at the product, it's a good... It's like sturdy looking, right? Look, Tommy, like that. I like it, guys, and it's my color too. Yeah, there is a water right here. I don't know how to undo this thing. You have to press that, I think. There is something to press over there. And there, when you slide it, there you go. And also go with this. You put water here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do...
Check. You may have to put distilled water, maybe not regular water, so check it.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it now. Like OXA Smart. Okay, let's go with this. Two different kind. This one here with the brush in it. With the brush. And also this one with a small tiny fabric in there. And I would like to say thank you to Rebecca. Hi Rebecca, who sent me this product. It's Lilo, but the name of this product is OXA, and then I think the seller is Lilo, and then the sender is Rebecca. Hi, thank you Rebecca for sending me this, and yeah, thank you. Go with the manual. And hi guys, bago akong ligo, guys. I just wanna insert this clip. There is a one dealer sent me a product, guys, for free. She sent me like, I think it's what, 8 or 7, 6 something. I think it's 7 or 8 choices of products, and then I decided to pick this product, and so she sent this to me, and I got this the other day, and I opened it in the other house. So let's try this, guys, because that's why I got this, because I have a lot of, not a lot, well, I don't have a lot of clothes, but I have some few, you know, like this. I have few dress, shirt, you know, tops that I cannot iron because it can be ironed, and so it's kind of wrinkly. This one is wrinkly, and I have another one over there and in here. I'm gonna try it, use this product. First, I'm going to put water here, guys. I will be right back. Plug this, plug that, plug already, guys, and I see light over here. It says heated for like 20 seconds and switch to steam. How can I switch to steam? Oh, okay, be careful, and that's it. There's no switch whatsoever, so I guess this is where you press over here to steam. Oh, I can feel it. Okay. Okay, look, did you see? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I never tried this before, so let's see. Okay, I never tried this before. So oh my goodness, you guys can tell? I don't know if you can tell, it's really it's nice over here, guys. Oh my god, I get so excited. The dog is whining. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. First impression, thumbs up, guys. Can you tell the difference? There's no wrinkle whatsoever. I don't know if you can tell. Look. Okay, let me move it. Over here is wrinkle. Let me do the whole thing. This area here. It works. It's amazing. It works. Wrinkly? Not wrinkly. Okay, hold on. Let me focus this. Because you guys cannot see. Look! Did you see the difference? Nice. Nice. And it's not nice. I review this just like a vlog kind of thing. Because this channel is a vlog thing. So I did review this like a vlog. But guys. Oh my god, guys. This is amazing! Okay, that is still wrinkly, right? It's wrinkly because I don't steam in the back. So when you turn, it's wrinkle free. Okay guys, I'm happy that I did this product. I'm sorry, this review is just very simple. I told Tommy, I told my husband, Han, if this product is not gonna work for me, I will tell the truth, and I'm going to tell the freaking truth, because you know I don't want you guys try it and then end up not working. So it doesn't work. So but this one guys is amazingly working great. I'm happy. Thumbs up. If you're interested, they give me the link and they give you a discount. Okay, I will tell you this product, it's cost the original price guys, it is $49.99, and they have this on sale for like $29.99, and they have it for Prime. That means Prime, you don't have to pay for shipping, and they give me a discount. So you guys save 20 bucks plus the discount that they have, the promotion that they gave me. And I will put the link down below guys if you are interested. Click the link in the description box, and then the coupon code expires in 40 days. So you have a 20% discount, and it's turned out to $22.39. So you save 27 cents from the original price. Once you click the link down below, you can do the instruction. You just have to keep following it. Once you open the box, you see the product. It's very sturdy. This is in my own experience. I'm not telling you to get it because this is what I said, but this is what my experience of the product is. The product is really sturdy, strong. It's not cheapy looking. The price is not expensive guys, but the product, it looks expensive and it works expensive. Like the product, it works really good. So you guys, if you are interested, if you have some dress that you cannot iron, that's kind of wrinkly. Thank you Rebecca for sending me this product. I will put the link down below guys if you're interested. Okay, bye guys, bye.